Challenges, difficulties are part of life. In fact, that's the fun of life. It's all about those roller coaster rides that you have in life that will make you grow. It is the force, it is the art, or it is a science that you have in yourself when you are having a tough time, with an approach that you're going to pull up life in the coming time. This is about building resilience. A sportsman goes through an injury, returns back, show a massive performance. Why? Building resilience. This is what we need to learn. How do we tackle ourselves? How do we keep ourselves? How do we protect ourselves in the tough times? Because tough times are bound to come in your life at every stage of life. The roller coaster, the train is going down. But what are we more excited for? We are more excited for that journey when it is going down, and more importantly, we are excited because we know that we are going to pull it off again in a couple of minutes to the top. Building resilience is having faith on yourself that you will be able to survive in this particular situation and will pull back and will bounce back. This setback will be a setup for a comeback for you, because that will ensure the team and you are mentally capable, emotionally capable, and intellectually capable to solve all the challenges that you will.